Les verbes pronominaux. Les verbes pronominaux. So verb pronominaux means it's s. The verb with s. Example, s'appeler verb.
S'appeler.
It's like this. We use it for name. Je m'appelle. Okay. So whenever there is s before the verb, it's les verbes pronominaux. This s means oneself. It's used for oneself.
Okay.
So we have so verbs. It's like se réveiller. Se réveiller is to wake up. We don't have so many like pronominal verbs, but we have some. Okay, but it's easy. Just see what you have to do. Q, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle. It's er verb, so we will remove e and put e here. We will remove er and put es. Again, we will remove er and put e. Here we put ons, ez, and in the end we'll put
ENT.
yes, ent. Because of this, so we will add something. What we add?
S O.
M. Q के साथ we will add t. With ill we add s. With nu we will add one more nu, one more vu, and with ill we add just s. It means I wake up.
I will come.
I to wake up oneself. You can write here. You wake up. She or he wakes up. It's like this. You just have to these things. If I write here, se brosser. Brosser is to brush. To brush oneself. Because of se. Now Trisha will conjugate it.
Ma'am, Trisha is not there, I think so in class.
Okay. Shelly?
Yes, ma'am. Je me brosse. Je me brosse.
I brush.
Next, I brush. Tu te
Bross.
brosse. BROSSES. है ना? Il brosse.
Il bross.
Say brosse. And
We brush.
nous. Okay. Nous brosse.
Brosson.
Brosson. Next, vous brosser. And il brose. Elle brose.
Il se bross. With pronominal verbs, we need to add these.
Okay.
Otherwise, it will be wrong.
Got it, ma'am.
S'appeler verb you know.
Yes.
Is to call oneself. If we remove this s, it will be a like verb to call. I call my friend. Okay, but with s, it's to call oneself.
Yes.
Because of this vowel, we will just add this chamapel, tutapel, but it's exception. That's why they are double L. Tutapel, il
Sapel.
sapel, woo,
Sapelo.
woo. One like one L only. Zapele,
Sapel.
nu, nu before it. Nu zapelon, zapel. Survey, to get up oneself. Here is a little exception. German is the accent. This accent, German left. Just this accent will come. Tutor left. Il, elle se lève. Nous levons. Vous levez. Il, elle se lève. The exception is this accent. Like this verb, we have one more verb. It's promener. To stroll. You can write to walk or to stroll. It's like this only. We will have this exception, this accent. Done?
Ma'am, can you pronounce word to get oneself? To get upon oneself.
Se lever.
Love.
Je me lève. Tu te lèves. Elle se lève. Nous lavons. Vous levez. Elle se lève.
Merci, ma'am.
So, ma'am, we call madame.
Merci, madame.
Bien. Done?
Just a minute, ma'am.
Okay.
Done, ma'am.
So, I'm writing some pronominal verbs.
Okay.
S'étirer. To stretch. Next is s'amuser. To have fun. S'occuper. to take care. Se détendre, to relax. S'habiller, to get dressed. Se préparer, to be prepared. Just add oneself. Se coucher, to go to bed. Se maquiller, to put on makeup. Se raser, to shave oneself.
Done, ma'am.
Okay. So what's the difference between bon and bien? Bon and bien.
Wo means good.
Good.
Bia means very good.
No. Very is three.
Very?
Very is three.
Deep.
Okay. They both means good.
Okay.
So what can be the difference between them?
जैसे बोन हम कुछ विश करते हैं जैसे,
Okay.
और बिना मीन्स अपने जब हम खुद को एक्सप्रेस करना है.
देखो, बो एंड बिया दोनों का ही मतलब गुड होता है, बट की यूज अलग अलग जगह होते हैं. ठीक है. बो मीन्स बो वी यूज फॉर डिस्क्राइबिंग समथिंग, अ थिंग. व्हेन वी डिस्क्राइब अ थिंग और अ पर्सन or a taste. Example, this cake is good. So we have done this. So let's say ce gâteau est bon, because gâteau is a thing, or she is a good student. So we will use L
L
A
A
une
étudiant.
bonne étudiante. if it's a girl.
Attitude.
Bien we use for describing a action. It usually comes with verbs. Example, she speaks good French. So here we are not describing a thing or person. Okay, it's an action, or with verbs we use it. So elle parle bien français. Okay. Understood the difference between them?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Done?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Open your book, Unit 3.